Hi guys.
Hi. Guess
We
where
are at the
New York.
Botanical Garden in the Bronx.
There's 3 of them.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. This is one of them. And I guess this is the best
According
one.
to him, it's the best one.
Yep.
Look at my food.
Yep, look at her food. I think that's cabbage and that looks like beautiful cabbage. Look at it. Look at it. I think that is cabbage or lettuce. I don't know, but it looks cool.
We made
So
it inside.
we're inside, guys.
30 minutes earlier.
Yep, 30 minutes early. This place is very big. We're next to the Bronx Zoo as well, so
Oh, wow.
let's go. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day today. This is really out in the open. It's really nice.
It's really nice. I forgot to take my allergy pills, so
Yep.
let's hope I don't start sneezing.
It's a hot day today.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Super hot.
Somebody didn't come prepared.
I came over prepared. Michelle said that the trees are wearing clothes.
They are.
She hugged the tree.
He made me hug the tree.
You guys can come down here. There's a lot of trees like that.
A lot of trees wearing clothes.
Yep, there's one here. There's another one here. And there's
More
a couple down there.
More over there.
More down that path around here. I mean, yeah. Let's keep going. We have not looked at the map one bit. So,
We're looking at the map.
yeah. So, like I said, we have the outdoor pass.
So we can do 4 thingies
Yeah.
out of the 8.
Of the special exhibition. Exhibit. Yeah. You'd need the garden and gallery pass to see everything, including indoor stuff. We have
That was available until the end of the month.
So yeah, you'd have to book your stuff early because they're sold out until like the end of the month. So yeah. So this park, I guess, is huge. It's huge. There comes the tram, but you need the ticket that I said is sold out. That. Here we are. This is called I Want to Fly to the Universe. Not sure why.
We made a discovery.
This is the side that matters. Well, gosh. We didn't bring a pen, so we can't mark on the map. Can't figure out a path. So we're just going wherever the wind takes us.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're looking at all the trees.
Yeah, basically. See where we go.
There's a lot of people right now.
Yeah, there is a lot of people.
Like a lot.
It's pretty busy today,
Yeah, exactly.
but it's okay. It's outdoors. Beautiful day. Here we are at Ladies Border. If you're a nature person or flower person, this is like heaven for you. There's so many photo spots as well, and just you get to enjoy nature. We like nature, so even if it gets us
Sneezing.
sneezy and coffee.
But it's so pretty.
Wow. There's a lot of wildlife. Wait, no, not wildlife. What is this? Wildlife? Because they're plants. Are plants living? Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are.
Don't ignore that, YouTube, please. Don't say anything. My science teachers would. What are you be watching?
These are where the garden fairies are.
If you guys want, there's benches on every corner. You just sit down and admire the flowers. I admire my flower.
Didn't come prepared. Well guys, my allergies began. So you might be hearing some sniffles. Herb.
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 YouTube.
It's a herb.
It's herb.
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 Herb. She's touching the flowers and then she's gonna touch her nose or her eyes. And then we're gonna have a huge problem.
I should have done my nails.
Okay, we're currently in line to take pictures at the Dancing Pumpkin. It's another one of the
free ones.
well, I mean, they're included in our pass. It's part of the outdoor exhibit, so
Okay.
yeah.
Looks more like
This is
an octopus.
Yeah, I thought it was an octopus, but it turns out it's a pumpkin.
It's a dancing pumpkin.
Yep. We've left the
dancing pumpkin.
dancing pumpkin.
Let's wait in line.
If you want to take proper pictures, you gotta make the line. If you want to take just pictures of it, you can walk and you take them right here where this arrow is. You take them right there. So yeah, up to you. We waited in line. This place closes at 6.
And it's about to be 5. We have an hour left.
So yeah, we have an hour left and the battery's about to die.
Exciting!
Infinity mirrored room will be straight ahead. It's a lovely day today. Seems somebody fell here. You can touch them. Do you want to touch them?
Sure.
Nowhere. Oh, that straight ahead is the that mirror, the mirror thing that I mentioned. Mirror? Yes. Summer garden.
Summer garden.
Go ahead. Time to watch some compost.
Some New York City traffic.
Yep.
Wow, so beautiful.
True.
Look a birdie.
Stay there. Stay there. Let me zoom in on you, man.
Hi, birdie, birdie.
No, don't leave him.
No, it's coming closer. Hi, birdie, birdie.
We've arrived. It's pretty strange. It's reflective, but I don't know why it has those holes. Unless you can go inside of it, but I think it's closed. Yeah, it's closed. So you could go inside of it, but it's closed. And I think you can see people through it. Yep. So guys, we've apparently made a discovery. I don't think you're actually supposed to go inside of it. You're supposed to look in these holes. Oh.
Do you get in the camera? I don't think you will.
Yeah, you get it in the camera. Let me see. Hey guys. We're at this little pond. And there's ducks and they're not moving. Even though we're super close to them. I think they're sleeping. But he keeps looking at me. Or I'm not sure, maybe they are sleeping. Up we go.
Spruce.
No, this is the spruce.
Yeah.
Oh, this long, yeah. I wonder what the one next to it is though. I love those trees. Look at the colors of the tree bark.
Oh my god, we found other other plants that are almost as tall as me.
Yeah?
This one's up to here.
Whoa. This plant is pretty tall. What are they? Not the bottom. I don't think those. Or are they?
Yo, these are tall.
Yeah, I know. They're as tall as you. My goodness.
Crazy. Look, there's more over there.
Whoa. Daffodils.
Is it daffodils?
Guess so. The ones in the back are like as tall as you. Look at this one. This one's pretty.
It's growing another baby.
Oh?
It is.
This is a nice little daffodil walk with occasional daisies. It's 5:33.
Almost over.
Yeah, they close at 6. I'm not sure how the closing works here.
Because this place is huge. Like, how are you gonna?
It's
find
huge. How are you
everybody?
gonna find everybody? You know. So yeah, we're just gonna go deep
We're gonna look for the rock garden.
because they won't find us if we go too far in. But yeah, it kind of dies down after 4:30.
There's like barely anybody here.
Now there's barely anybody where the trees with the dresses are. So yeah, gonna go get lost.
So it kind of looks like they closed it off. So JP's plan of getting lost didn't work out.
How else can we
So-
get lost?
Wait, come here. I'll show them the map. We basically did all of this.
Yeah, we did basically all of this, and we're trying to get here. Now, as you can see, these are all forests. So,
So I don't know how this is gonna work.
well, we are somewhere in this area. So, we're gonna go that way and try
Okay.
to go around there. Well,
Gotta go hiking.
yep. Thane Family Forest. You are standing at the edge of the largest enduring tract of the original woodland that once covered most of New York City. For thousands of years, this remarkable old-growth forest has changed, adapted, and survived. During your visit, you will see the marks left by glaciers thousands of years ago. Walk along Native American hunting trails and pass under trees dating back to the American Revolution. Let's go. Do you think YouTube will pick up all of that? And the captions?
I don't think so. You were speaking a bit too fast. Well, good thing I didn't wear chanclas.
I want to wear sandals.
Listen, I hate wearing shoes. I hate shoes. Well, we have 15 minutes until it closes. You think we'll make it?
I have no clue. Bear den. You know, let's walk
A bear den?
Yep, let's walk around.
You know how we were saying we were gonna meet a bear at the Poconos? Instead, we're gonna meet it here. JP's scaring me.
So I like looked quickly and I saw a big black figure hop over the wooden fencing over here, and I was like, that thing was too huge to be a bird. And so we got closer and it was a bird, and it was just flapping its wings.
And he scared me for no reason.
I am terrified right now.
If you look, it's just literally just trees.
Yep.
We came across poison ivy.
She's literally walking and she's like, poison ivy, and she stands there. She just stands there like, what is wrong with you? Move away from it.
I wanted to see what it looks like from the Poconos.
Yeah?
I know what it looks like.
Yeah, and then you're gonna go, I want to know what it feels like.
Start- Also,
We've made the
we
inter-
made it
we-
to the end. And we
Kind of.
survived.
We made it to the intersection, so there is an intersection right there where it says, right there, this intersection right here.
Oh, so we're not done?
Nope, we're not done. But we're gonna make it to the waterfall, hopefully.
It smells like flowers.
It does, right? I noticed that too. Wow. It smells nice.
And then it starts to eat. Achoo! It smells beautiful in
It
here.
smells amazing. This is a good picture spot.
Okay.
Look, guys. We found a rabbit or bunny.
Rabbit season.
It's eating. So guys, we're past 6 o'clock and we still haven't gotten kicked out.
We came across the rose garden and there aren't really a lot of roses. It's closed.
Yeah, it's
but,
closed, but I'm not sure if I recorded it. This is a wonderful spot to take pictures regardless. Rose garden is closed, but there's
There's like
very
no
few
roses.
roses, I believe.
Yeah?
Million daffodils.
So pretty. Yo, if you guys could smell this,
Yeah.
the amount of grass and flowers you can
Smells like
smell. Also, we finally got kicked out.
Yep.
Well, not kicked out. Some guy came. He's like, it's closed.
Only 30 minutes later. Oh.
Now we're gonna go eat.
Yep.